In this video I'm doing a quick review of the step ramp for dirt bikes and motorcycles. And this isn't a sponsored review or anything, I'm just a normal guy who went to the website and bought the ramp like anybody else. Step ramp makes two different sizes of these. The one that I got is the one with 5 steps that's 72 inches in length. Setting it up is quick and easy, it's basically just what you see here. Alright, so on to the loading experience. The truck that I haul the bike in is a 2-wheel drive Super Crew F150. The step ramp is the 72-inch 5-step version. The bike is a Honda CRF 250F, which weighs about 260 pounds. Loading it is pretty straightforward. I just get a rolling start and then grab the handbrake as I walk it up the ramp. Unloading the bike is basically the same thing in reverse. I just line it up with the ramp and then back it down using the handbrake to keep it under control. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This is a new hobby for me, so I've only had the bike and the ramps for about 5 months now. But here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons as I see them so far. In the pros column, I'll say that these are well made. They're really solid and you feel confident stepping out on them. They're easy to use and setting them up is quick. And most importantly, they are the perfect tool for the job. Having steps on one side for your feet and a ramp on the other side for the bike just makes them really easy to use. I know better riders can just go up a set of 4-wheeler ramps just fine, but I'm not that guy. Alright, so moving on to the cons, the biggest one by far is that the step ramps are expensive. The 5-step version that I got was $350. If you have a larger pickup and you need the 6-step version, that'll run you $400, so these things are really pricey. These things cost more than my helmet or my boots, and basically everything other than the bike itself. A potential downside that I'm not quite sure of is these might be a little hard to use for left-handed folk. They seem like they're clearly designed with the right-handed majority of the population in mind. I am right-handed, so it feels natural to have the bike on the right side, but I'm not sure that you can say the same for left-handed people or not. And lastly, the final criticism that I have for the step ramps is that just as it is really good at doing one job, it can kind of only do one job. These things are only meant for getting a motorcycle in and out of a truck. If you have a lawnmower or a 4-wheeler or something like that you might also need to haul, these aren't really going to do much for you there. Alright, so there you have it. That is my honest review of the step ramp, and personally, I love them. I'm pretty confident this pair will last me forever, but if they did get stolen or something like that, the first thing I would be doing is buying another pair. But I hope this video will help you make an objective purchasing decision based on what's best for you. And again, I don't have any referral links or anything like that. I don't get paid either way. So buy the ramps or don't buy the ramps, I don't care. Why are you still watching? Go hit the trails.